kasama ko po, best player ng ating laro, Baseramer with 15 points. Perfect sa may 3-point arc, 4 out of 4 shooting. Baser, ang ganda ng simula mo. And every time na may maganda kang ginagawa at lumalabas, ang kita naming masayang-masaya bukod kay Coach Norman Black, si Coach Ronnie Magsanok at si Jimmy Alapag.
Siguro maganda lang yung mga past few practice ko. Naging focus lang ako, naging aggressive lang. Tapos yung importante dun is yung extra shots. And lagi akong ginaguide ni Kuya Jimmy and Coach Ronnie every practice.
Sir, ang next game ninyo medyo matagal-tagal pa, April 3. Uuwi ka ba ng Davao? Araw ng Davao?
Sana pa, hindi ko pa alam eh. Depende pa sa schedule ni Coach Norman. Siguro continue to work pa rin.
That's really nice of you. At yan nga yung nagustuhan din sa ni Jimmy Alapag. He was telling us about the work ethics of you and Anjo. And he's very proud of your performance. May mga babatiin?
Binabati ko yung family ko sa Davao, yung parents ko, and yung De Leon family, yung Bagdan family, tsaka yung girlfriend ko si Justin. And Altamirano family, Tugadi family, tsaka Ravenna family, and yung Nike.
Congratulations, Baseramer.
Si Kuya JC. Thank you.
Congratulations, Baseramer. Best player po na ating laro.